Parrish buyers, are you in the market for a townhome? If so, we've got one for you today. We're looking at the Jasmine model, Taylor Morris product over here at Firethorn. All right, so here is the outside. It's a bit loud out because we're doing construction. You can see it comes with a one-car garage. You can also see the driveway is a lot wider than that, so you can fit a couple cars in this area. Again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, about 1,400 square feet. Here's your entranceway. Now, when you get inside, you're going to have the stairs over here to the left, and then you're going to have your entrance. This door right here is going to go to the garage. This is extra storage, and that's your half bath. Here's a look at the kitchen with the large pantry. And then off to the side, you have the dining. Here's another view of the living and kitchen and dining area. It does have this outside area. It is not covered, so you're not really going to get too much shade out here. You definitely could add something though to get some shade. That's your view. Now upstairs, you're going to have 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. Come up, you've got your master bedroom. It's another look at the bedroom. This is the closet. It's a pretty big size. Then of course you have your bathroom, dual vanity with a shower. Going down the hall, we have another full bath with a tub. Here's your first guest bedroom. They have it decorated for a kid's room. And then here is your 3rd bedroom. There's no dresser in here. And another look at the bedroom. So what do you guys think of the Jasmine model? Do you like it? I really like the layout. It doesn't really feel like we're in a townhome right now. They got a lot of extra little storage closets there for you. And the wider driveway, I think, really helps. They've got lots of inventory properties right now on the market. So you can get a really good deal on these, really good incentives. If you guys have any questions, give us a call. It's Amy and Tom at Keys to the Coast Real Estate. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.